Let me tell you something about Janice Ian. We were best friends in middle school. I know, right? So embarrassing. I can't even. Whatever. So then in 8th grade, I started going out with my first boyfriend, Kyle, who was like totally gorgeous. But then he moved to Indiana, and Janice was like really jealous of him. Like, if I would blow her off to go hang out with Kyle, she'd be like, "Why aren't you coming back?" And I'd be like, "Why are you so obsessed with me?" So then for my birthday party, which was an all-girls pool party, I was like, "Janice, I can't invite you because I think you're a lesbian." I mean, right, she was a lesbian. They were going to be girls in their bathing suits. I couldn't have a lesbian at my party. So then her mom called my mom and started yelling at her, and it was so retarded. And then she dropped out of school because no one would talk to her. And in the fall, she came back for high school, and her hair was like totally cut off, and she was totally weird. Now, I guess she's on crack. So guys, basically what I did was the Mean Girls monologue. And you can just find it on the internet. I just typed Google and I wrote Mean Girls monologue, and that's what I found. So I hope that you subscribe to my channel because it would mean so much to me, because I really want to be an actress in the future. And just comment down below if you like the video, you know, because I just want to know if I'm not crazy of me becoming an actress. So just write it down. Comment down below, and also you can comment down below about things that I can improve, you know, so I could take note of that. And yeah, so my channel is going to be about acting. I'm going to do little monologues, movie remakes, movie scenes, and yeah, more stuff like that. So please subscribe and like the video. It means so much to me. So I'm going to post a video every Saturday, so please look out for that. And my name is Clarice, by the way. Clarice. But sometimes you can yeah, my name is Clarice anyway. So yeah, please like the video, comment down below about the things that I told you, and please subscribe. Bye. See you next Saturday.